AMP at present exchanges close $5. The MA50 really is right now at $5 in an unpretentious manner. AMP in every way that really matters faces medium-term opposition at $6, or so they truly thought. AMP keeps commonly descending development today in an essentially enormous manner. 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues facts. What basically is truly momentary cost expectation for AMP, basically is AMP and essentially wise venture, which generally is very critical. AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically is genuinely critical. However, prior to jumping most certainly profound into the AMP specialized examination, especially let us explicitly discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to total 675, 555, 602, 461, or so they in every practical sense thought. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume really remains at $62, 396, 878, 040, exhibiting how 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these habitually certainly sought clarification on some pressing issues facts. What in a real sense is genuinely momentary cost expectation for AMP, generally is AMP and in every way that really matters, wise interest in a genuinely large way. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, so AMP generally faces medium-term obstruction at $96 in a truly significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.28 during the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time period, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Sol, the essentially local coin of Solana, fundamentally is somewhere near 0.17 and at present exchanging at $196.69, exhibiting how AMP sort of countenances medium-term obstruction at $6, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a really descending heading for sort of present moment, which especially shows that AMP explicitly faces medium-term obstruction at $6, or so they in every practical sense thought. As of now, a really broad, exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So as of now, a for the most part broad, essentially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP backing and obstruction backing in opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of large manner. Support especially is a level at which purchases basically become most certainly more essentially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Genuinely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.18 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers truly become moved genuinely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is very huge. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP explicitly is at $5, down 2.7% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours and most certainly has a value change of 26% throughout the week, which explicitly is genuinely huge. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 5.028, 737 USD, while really complete market cap came to $206.66, 187 USD, showing how AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which for the most part is very critical. There generally are practically 42 to 27 700 to 186 really are available for use out of 99,213,480,535, exhibiting how the sort of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $62 396 878 40, showing how 31 walk 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly sought clarification on some things facts, what basically will be essentially transient cost expectation for AMP. By and large, is AMP an excellent interest in a for the most part significant manner. AMP value examination, AMP cost investigation for 31 walk 2024 inside a very day-to-day time period, especially made sense of beneath in a huge manner. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving especially normal assembly and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving really normal SMA and remarkable moving exceptionally normal MA2 in a real sense. Break down the future development of the AMP, or so they in every way that really matters thought. While AMP's Williams percent R point of fundamentally is at 61,856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition, I exchange genuinely signal in every practical sense is essentially conceivable at this reach, which fundamentally shows that AMP explicitly faces medium-term obstruction at $6. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, by and large further appearance how market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the truly whole digital money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461. AMP financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 1633% in a very significant manner. The main help level for AMP for the most part is at $5, while the especially second one especially is at $4, exhibiting how they fundamentally are practically 42, 227, 702, 186 by and large are available for use out of 99,213,480,535, showing how the for the most part complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $62 396 878 40, exhibiting how 31 walk 2024. In this video, we will essentially walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for the most part 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense got clarification on some things fake what for the most part is transient cost expectation for AMP. By and large is AMP an essentially wise venture, or so they truly thought. While taking about obstruction, the AMP basically has R1 and R2 at $5